This is the ThruNite TC20 V2 on Firefly, 0.3 lumens, 71 days. Low, 35 lumens, 77 hours. Medium, 320 lumens, 9 hours. High, 1853 lumens, 122 minutes. Turbo, 4068 lumens, 220 seconds. And then it will cool down. It clicks down, but you have a total of 90 minutes. You have a power capacity light on the on and off switch. When it's 21 to 100%, it's going to be a steady blue. When it's 11 to 20% power, it's on red. 1 to 10% is flashing red. 0%, it will obviously turn off. Now this is what comes in your package. Obviously only one of the lights. That's what comes in the package. Rechargeable right in the unit. You don't need a separate charger. USB. There's the light, the indicator light. You have a place for lanyard. Comes with a lanyard. Comes with replacing O-rings and buttons. Molly sheath. Your warranty, 1 to 2 years. ThruNite gift card. Subscribe to the ThruNite YouTube channel and get a free flashlight. It tells you how to do that right there. I don't know if they all come with this, but this came in my box. So there'll be a link to these guys down below. Go ahead and check them out. They've got sales going all the time. You subscribe to their YouTube channel or their Facebook channel, and they have discounts going on all the time and coupons. They're great lights, guys. Check them out. It's the Firefly. Low, medium, high, turbo. Low, medium, high, turbo.
That's bright. Look at that palm tree. It's massive.
It's a great looking light. Whether you go with the brown or the black.